Welcome to your first lesson for your online asynchronous financial accounting class. So an overview of what you'll be doing for Chapter 1. Chapter 1, you have 5 topics to read. 5 topics to read. It's great for background information, especially if you've never taken a business class before. It goes over the basics of, what for-profit businesses are, non-for-profit, things like that. Really good to just skim through. There's going to be some chapters you'll really have to read in depth. I don't think this is one of them. I'll cover the first 2 topics. I'll lecture on those. The rest you can just skim through on your own. To get to the ebook, you just click on that link in Canvas and you'll be taken to the OpenStax website that looks like this, and you can click on the different topics to read through it. They also have an app where you can download the ebook to your phone. Easy peasy. So join me in the next video where I lecture on topics 1.1 and 1.2 of Chapter 1.